lot of fast dudes right now, so just kind of game plan is just to put myself in good positions and do the best I can. We spent a good 10 days up in California trying everything that we could improve on. So I had a good 10 days of testing, figured some good things out with the bike, and then I went back to Texas after the first part of December and really buckled down the last 3 weeks leading into the race. So feeling good, I'm feeling at a good level. I'm ready to battle. I'm ready to go to war with these guys and see where we can end up tonight. Bike's been working awesome. Made some changes from press day yesterday to this first practice this morning, and I'm really happy with the changes we've made. So I'm just gotta be a little bit quicker. We're all really close right now after the first practice, so try and clean some things up and be better the next time. The track's really good right now. Like you said, it is windy. There's a couple spots on the track where you really feel it. Texas winters are pretty windy, so kind of used to this a little bit. Yeah, I think it'll be all right. I think once the sun goes down, it should die down a little bit, and we'll be good for tonight.
You having fun? Awesome. No poster? Heck yeah. Thanks, dude. Good luck. Thank you.
We're there racing two-stroke half?
Yeah. 600. Yeah. Hey, can I get a picture with you? Yeah. Two-stroke or four-stroke? Hey, how's it going?
This is only round one. It's not the only round, so yeah, see where we end up, build from there, and try to get better every weekend. That's kind of always the goal. So I think there's just a lot of unknowns coming into A1. Everyone works hard in the off season, and it's just like where do we stack up? And I think the nerves can get the best of some guys. I know it's gotten the best of me in the years past. I feel pretty comfortable and confident right now. Just got to go execute and put what we've been doing in the off season to the test and see where we end up. It's really just round one, so nothing to stress about. Do the best we can and try to get better with the bike and myself throughout the year and hopefully end the year where we belong. Yeah, the track dried out a lot. The wind has been crazy today, so hard to get moisture in it, I'm sure. Felt good though. It was 14th overall, so kind of right in that sweet spot. I think I'm within a second of 7th, and then the guys behind me are super close too. So I nailed the practice start, so if we can do that 2 more times tonight, we'll be in a good spot. And just yeah, there's a lot of fast guys, but I know if I put myself in a good position off the start, that I'll be in a good spot. We made a couple changes throughout press day and that first practice, but the bike feels great. Now it's just time for me to go do my job.
race.
Yeah. You were riding way harder than last time was showing.
It looks like you're driving in too deep, and then it's making you like pause. Yes. And it's turning into several corners.
Yeah.
Just like tie
Slow
that
it a
all
little
in
early,
one.
flow it.
Yeah.
felt good, and then another mistake, and I'd have to like. I just felt like that guy sprint